So continuing, again, this is the 6 gigabyte, 128, 6 gigabyte RAM, 128 gigabytes ROM. There's also an 8 gigabyte with 512 gigabyte of ROM, and you have the option of a external SD card that can hold up to 512 gigabytes of memory. That's almost a whole terabyte. That's crazy. Now the US as of now only gets this color, the ocean blue, and the purple. That's the only two options right now. The 128 gigabyte goes for $999. The 512 gigabyte goes for $1,149. So it's a beautiful phone. Same cameras that's on the S9 Plus, just tuned a little better.
Hi there. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Now let's see the S Pen. That's dope. I like that. So if you guys like it, go for it. I mean, if you have the Note 8, do I recommend you upgrading? Probably not. Only cool thing though about now with the Note 9 is the S Pen is Bluetooth. And I'll get into that in another video. But thank you guys for watching. This was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Take it easy.